hay that we can use for this sort of thing. We have to prioritise. Feed our animals first, then give this as it's like a secondary.
Are the vibe, are the tribe, are the people who lead with love, lead with light. The power lies in you. Power lies in you. What you gonna do with this power? This precious power that you hold within.
We're going to be here all day then.
Be kind to me, be kind to you. Be kind to the animals too. You move with peace, you will see what it's like to be free. Truly love. We are the vibe, are the tribe, are the people. We bring the love, bring the light. The power lies in you. Do you dare hope that somehow, someway, things are about to change? Now that it'll never happen again, I want you to make believe and annoy me all day, because in your absence, my heart aches. If you only had, if you only had, if you only had one life, one life. Are you allowed to still crave your touch, even when I know how much we've hurt each other? I still keep wanting us to be together. Hey, sing with me if you wanna make a difference today. Wouldn't it be a beautiful thing to take away their suffering? I will not stand by. I will fight for their life. If you only had one life, would it make you glad?
Children's soul, children's soul. Born at the bottom of a lake of green stones, to feel alive, to break away.
There's only one chance to do the best and be the best we can. If there's only one.
Well, you're such a pretty girl. Well, you're such a pretty girl. D-R-E-T-T-Y-B-E-G-A-N-O, man.
To do the best and be the best we can. If there's only one shot.
Have to hope that one day we'll grow into a race with compassion in our souls. Beating your chest, a man in the wild. Let it roll, be Alaskan IT. Let the world know that you're ready to eat. You gotta hunt down a pack of turkey twills, revolt from the packet with your giant incisors. Tear it down with your lethal claws. Triple the bear comes, lead them raw. You can hold your breath, but you can't forget. The windows light, you can't see inside. You think maybe they've got something to hide. Sounds you can hear, can't hear the fear of the torture and the pain. It goes on every day. You can hear it. You will never sleep again. There's one in every town.
When we murder, when we oppress, when we keep them in pain and distress.
Follow her. And that lead us in. Wow, that's a lead us. That's great. And turn it here.
Pray forgiveness to something not there. If there's only one life, have a little more respect for that. Just say how special you are, but they don't look the same, so it's okay.
That's right. Jump in the sea. Run to the river. Head to the lake. They're gonna crucify me. And though the water won't heal ya, she's gonna set you so free. She's been waiting for ya. Tell your sons and your daughters. Tell them what freedom feels.
To take a child away, tear them apart, but it's all in your mind. If you'd only look, you would see her crying. She's screaming out for him. But the bullet always wins. When we murder, when we oppress,
But our friend is
we
leaving, so
keep
we
them
go
in
downstairs.
pain and distress.
Come rolling all the riches all around you, and for once, never wonder what they're worth. How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know.
Pray forgiveness to something not there. If there's only one life, have a little more respect for theirs.
I'm still fighting for a peaceful world, even when it breaks down into pieces. I still send my love to every human, every animal, every being. Please don't take this life for granted. Are your feet still firmly planted in the soil? Are you loyal to your human, every animal, every being?